You can now get closed captions on any website that offers audio. So that's whether it be video or just audio like a podcast. You can do this through the Google Chrome web browser by simply clicking on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then going to settings. And then we come across to advanced and accessibility. And the very top on there, live captions. So if we turn that on, if it's the first time you're turning it on, it might be a little download that only takes a couple of seconds. And then once that's turned on, we can close this tab and we can go onto a site that's got a podcast and see what the captions actually look like.
Traditional charity requests, and it actually set us and our industry a challenge. So philosophically, the trustees were saying, look, we have...
So as we can see there, we've got the captions up on there. We can actually maximize it as well, so we can use the full space there. And unlike many captions, for example, on YouTube, you can actually move these around the screen so that it doesn't interfere with the content that you're actually consuming.
That we need to meet, and we have to do that in a prudent and risk-controlled manner.
So we've seen how that works for a podcast. If we now go on to a website that is got video, we can do exactly the same with that.
Hello. Are you an easygoing person, or do things get on your nerves?
Now, as you can see, it's not perfect, but it does a really good job. And obviously this is a video that's streaming from YouTube, so we could turn the captions on YouTube, but that means that they are actually covering the video, whereas the method that we just demonstrated means that you can actually move it around the screen, and it works for any website that has any audio content.